Hello everyone and welcome back to another Meals of the Week. Monday was leftover steak from the weekend with a fried egg on top to make it go a little bit further, and we had some lovely spuds and veg and beans and green beans and fried onions and mushrooms and peppers, and it was absolutely yummy, and of course a little bit of gravy on the spuds. Tuesday I made toad in the hole, little mini toad in the holes. Now, these are Hailey from Mummy Cooks Homemade I followed her recipe and her method of making them. So if you want to go over to her channel, Mummy Cooks Homemade, and go into her shorts, and you'll see how she makes these mini toad in the hole. And they turned out really well, if I may say so myself. And they were so super easy to make. So she has the exact recipe and method on her channel. Go and check it out, Mummy Cooks Homemade. And thank you, Hailey, for sharing this recipe with us all. Hailey's actually doing the 12 days of Christmas at the moment, and she has a new video up every day. So pop over and say hello. And there they are. Look, they come out brilliant. I thought they were just absolutely fab. And then I didn't make really complicated gravy. I went with the instant gravy, but I did add in some fried onions into the gravy, so it was onion gravy. But it was the cheat method. But it worked. And it was only a Tuesday, so it was fine. Wednesday we had some fried potatoes, some fried potato little cubes, a spring roll, omelette, and some garlic bread. And I think I had there's some fried mushrooms and tomatoes in there as well. But they're part of the omelette. So that was lovely. Simple dinner for Wednesday. I've said before, we try and do a little bit of fasting on a Wednesday. Thursday was pasta with bolognese sauce. So I mince in here a jar of bolognese sauce, cherry tomatoes, a tin of mixed beans, there's mushrooms, and I think I have some peppers in there as well. So that is Thursday, and it is pasta with bolognese. And it's beef mince, and that is a family favourite and so quick and easy to make. And a little goes a long way with this, because you're adding in the bolognese sauce. You can add a tin of tomatoes if you want, and it's a great way to use up some veg as well that you're trying to get rid of out of the fridge. And then some cheese on top, of course. Let it melt a little bit, and a little bit of salt and pepper, and it's amazing the taste that you can get from something so simple. So as I said, this is a family favourite with the adults and the 3 kids. And then Friday we had one of our Friday favourites too again. It was deep fried homemade cod fingers. They're battered, and coleslaw and homemade chips, and some deep fried onions as well. They weren't onion rings, but they were onion wedges. The picture doesn't look great, but it was very tasty. A tasty Friday dinner. This is Sunday's dinner. Sunday we had a very, very busy day, a hectic day. We had cooked chicken in the freezer, so we took that out. That was dinner with chips and beans and some curry sauce on the chips, and it was delicious. And we watched a Christmas movie for a little while we rested between all the different activities we were doing on Sunday. And then the movie happened to say this. That was Sunday's dinner. Sunday's dinner part 1. And then after we came back late, we did stop at a takeaway on the way home. So I had some pizza and some of my leftover dinner, and the kids had pizza and they shared a burger between them. And that was supper, and it was dinner part 2. Thank you all for joining me in my kitchen. Thanks for joining me for Meals of the Week. Happy last week of Advent. The countdown is on to Christmas. God bless you all. Talk to you soon. Bye.